So in this video, you'll learn how to change the position of the edge panel on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to move it from left to right or from right to left, and whether you want to move it up or down on either side you choose. So the first step when it comes to moving your edge panel is to navigate to the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, you then want to scroll and select the option Display. And then under Display, look for Edge Panels and select it. From here, choose the option Handle. And then if you want to make it switch sides from right to left or from left to right, then you're going to tap on Position. And then from here, you're going to choose the option you prefer. So currently mine is set to right, but if I switch to left, then you can see the edge panel appearing on the left-hand side. So it's completely up to you to decide which option you would prefer to use. If you want to move it up or down, then what you're going to do is just look for this handle next to the edge panel preview right here. And then you're just going to drag and hold it and then just move the panel up or down to your preferred position. Once you found your preferred position, you can just let go of the screen. And now when you close the Settings app, whenever you want to access the edge panel, wherever you placed it is wherever you're going to be accessing it from. So that's how you can move the edge panels on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.